I feel like a goddess. I feel like a queen. I'm already a queen, guys. One of the nightwear I'm going to be trying on in this video. So this is how it is. It has a star move. Oh my god, I love this very stuff. Like, I love the stuff, and I love this print. Like, I so much love it, guys. So this is the one, number one I'm going to be trying on. Let's see if this one has a brand. Let's see where this one is from. You guys know I don't buy things online. I think this one is also brandless, guys. So the second one is this very one I'm going to be trying with you guys. This one is from Passionata. This one is an Italian brand. This is, I hope you guys can see it clearly. Yeah, so this one, it has this rope where you can tie it around your neck, and I love the color. I love this very stuff as well. I love it. Like, yeah. So the second one, the third one is this very one. I love the hand detail, and this is how it is at the back. I love the color. And let's see if this one has a brand, has a name. This one is from H&M. Guys, this one is from H&M. This one is from H&M. So yeah, so these are the three beautiful nightwears I'm going to be trying on in this video. Let's take a selfie. Let's take a screenshot. Okay, my queens, this is the first nightie I'm wearing. This is the first night dress I'm wearing, the first lingerie. Yeah, this is how this particular one is, and this is the color. I like this particular light color. This is how this one is, and I also love the fabric. Like, guys, look at how shiny this fabric is, and look at it's kind of an elastic. Yeah, are you seeing it? And this particular one is from H&M. Yeah, this particular night dress is from H&M. In case you guys are wondering, yeah, I don't buy things online. Yeah, guys, I don't buy things online. I don't buy clothes online. I don't buy lingerie online. The only thing I buy online is human hair. Yeah, I don't even buy my makeup online. I go to the store to get my stuff. And this one have this adjustable strap. In case I want it to go down a little bit, I can adjust it. Maybe if I think it's a little bit long and I want to shorten it, I can as well adjust this very nightwear. So let's try it. You guys already know me by now in the channel. I love dancing, but not for the time. Sometimes, like sweating. Okay, yeah. So let's dive into the second one, guys. Comment down below what you think about this dress. Tell me if you like it or not. Second one, and it has this ribbon. This one, it does not have this other hand. This one is something you can tie around your neck. Make sure this is in place. And this one is from Passionata. My god, I don't really, oh god, the influencer. So yeah, tell me you don't like this. 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 I'm feeling the vibe, guys. So guys, this is the second one. I like this one. Oh my god, You guys already know what I like on the channel. You guys already know the things I do on the channel. You guys already know what I wear. I don't wear rags. I wear something good. Yeah, so enough. So this is the second one, guys, and is this light blue and mixed with white. Is this blue or green? Hell, you guys should tell me if this is blue or green, if it is light green or light blue, because it's like kind of blue, it's kind of one kind of green. In fact, the colors are from the same parent, so if I call it blue, it's okay. If I call it green, it's the same thing. Whew. I feel the energy all over me. So yeah, let's dive into the last one. Guys, this is the last one. I don't know why I saved this particular one to be the last. Maybe it's because of the star. It's because of the star. It's because of the moon. It's because of the sun. It's because of the vibe, the energy from this particular night's dress. I feel like a goddess. I feel like a queen. I'm already a queen, guys. How you guys feeling the vibe from this particular night's dress? Let me come forward a little bit. Tell me what you guys think about this. Tell me if you don't like it. If you don't like it, I like it. This is the last one. My kings, my queens. This one also have this adjustable strap. You can adjust it. I don't want to adjust it. This one is okay this way. This one is easy, like maybe you're having a spicy evening, a spicy romantic night with your man. It will just go this way. Just take it down slowly. Take it down, but I'm not going to take it down, okay, for you guys. I'm not going to do that, because no. There's boundaries, okay? There's boundaries. Let's work on this. Let's work. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I've come to the end of this video. Tell me if you like those 90s. Tell me which one you like most and which one is your favorite, and please remember to comment below. Okay, let's discuss on the comment section. Don't worry, whenever I have time, I have chance, I always go reply to all your comments. When you see that I don't reply to your comment, that is because I'm kind of busy and I don't really have time for my phone. So whenever I have time for the phone, for my laptop, I do go and reply to all comments. Okay, so you have to comment down, and remember to like, please. It's very important when you like videos. Support me. It gives me the energy, it gives me the vibes, it gives me the strength, it gives me the force to film and edit more video for you guys, because I know that you guys do appreciate and love me. The only way you can show that you do appreciate my videos, the only way you can show that you do appreciate my videos is by liking, by commenting, by subscribing, and by remembering to turn on the notification bell, and of course by sharing on your social media platforms. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much. I do appreciate you guys for stopping by. I love you guys. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.